Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get verified badge on Instagram. So, first of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go sign into your account to create an account, or if you do have an account, just go and log in and let's get straight to it. So first of all, after opening your Instagram, if you want to get a verification badge, all you need to do, just go to your profile. How you can do that? Just go and click on the bottom right corner on your icon. If you click on that, you should look at the top right corner and click at the three lines. Then all you need to do, just go and look for settings. Then all you need to do here, just go and look for accounts. If you didn't find that, just go and click on search, then type accounts. As you can see, here is it. Just click on that. Then here, what you should look for is a request verification. Just scroll down a bit until you find that. As you can see here, here is it. And here you will add your full name, your document type, and maybe you will need to take a photo of your ID. Maybe then confirm your category that you want to profile to be on. Then select your country. You can add some audience, or also known as, this is optional, this is not necessary like category or country and region. Then maybe you'll, if you want to add some links here, you have 3 links if you want to add. And just make sure your full name and document type and your country and region and category should be specified. And if you need to take a photo of your ID to make them verify your account, then all you need to do, just wait a bit until they respond to you. After you do that, just click on submit. It will take a bit of time. Then after responding to you, you will get your verification. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.